Hi, welcome back to my channel, Uniquely Reagan Handcrafted Cards. I am doing some preparation work for the Cards for Cubs event that we're having. Lynn from LV Handcrafted and a whole bunch of other creators on YouTube. And it's going to be on March 2nd. It's a 12-hour event. And I'll link the information in the description box below so that you can set a reminder for yourself. So it is a 12-hour event, and a whole bunch of creators and content creators are doing this 12-hour event to create cards for Cubs for Kids so that we can send cards along, and you're welcome to join any or all of the Card Hop Marathon. And so what we're doing is we're creating cards so that we can send cards off to Cubs for Kids, who sends cards off to social workers to give to foster kids who are going into the foster program. So they are looking for birthday cards and encouragement cards specifically. So I have some scrapbook paper that I have collected and held onto for a while, and I want to create some card kits and get myself prepared for the event. So I'm going to create some card kits here, and I want to use some card sketches. I keep a binder full of card sketches, and so I'm going to use some of these papers that I've held onto for a while and use some of these to my advantage to help myself along and create the most cards that I can in the number of the events that I'm doing. I'm going to be in 3 separate blocks of time, 3 hours of the event. So I want to try to create as many cards as I can during those 3-hour blocks that I'm going to be participating in. So I have quite a bit of paper. I have no idea how many cards I can create, but I want to try to use some of these tags, cut aparts to my advantage here, and then I'll be using some of the other scrapbook paper that is part of the scrapbook paper that I've been hanging on to just to kind of help me along here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find some sketches in my binder that I've been hanging on to that go along with these size of cut aparts here. Like I'm going to use a variety of sketches from Call Me Crafty Owl's Sheetload of Cards and Jess Crafts Scrap Busting Templates to find sketches that work with these cut aparts, either 3x4 cut aparts, these tags, and also the 2x2 cut aparts on the next set of scrapbook paper. I'm trying to find tags or cut aparts that work with the sketches that I'm pulling out or that I have access to in this binder that I have available. You might keep sketches in a file on your computer or device. You might access them through your favorite creator, or you might keep them in a binder like I do, or a filing system. So I'm always going back to my favorite content creator like Call Me Crafty Owl, and then I keep these sketches in a binder system, and then I just look for elements of the tag or circle or rectangle and find a sketch that will work with the element that I'm using, whether it's a 2x2 cut apart or a circle, oval, a rectangle. What's going to work with the kind of cut apart that I'm using or element that I have, and what size is that element. If you're a member of Call Me Crafty Owl's channel, you can access her vault to get older sheetload of cards that are older than 2 years, and that will really open up your availability of sketches. That's really helped me. Now it's time to start putting some card kits together. I'm going to take you along while I put together a few.
I'll be there for the highs and lows, give you mine if your heart gets Yeah, you got me. You know that I know that you know that I'll be there for the highs and lows. Keep you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. Hey, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. Whoa, I'll be there, I'll be there, I'll be there for you. I'll be there for the highs and lows. Keep you mine if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. I will be there for you. I will be there for you all of the time, yeah. Down and down your love, you've had enough. I will be there for you. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy. Happy.
That's just a few of the card kits I'll be using on March 2nd during the Cards for Cubs event. Hopefully you'll come out and join the hop. I'll see you on my next crafty video. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Bye.